Here's the news of the day. Oklahoma's Aero Oklahoma Aviation and Aerospace Day on April 2nd, 2025 will highlight the state's aerospace, defense, and UAS industries, bringing officials together to showcase their economic impact. Turbolyft has launched its Y-Series completions lineup for Airbus AS350, H-125 helicopters, offering mission-specific upgrades for law enforcement, firefighting, medevac, and utility operations. Vertical Aviation International has announced candidates for its 2025 Board of Directors election, with voting open from February 18th to March 11th for operator members. Urban V and PX Aeroportos will develop a regulatory sandbox at Campo de Marte Airport in São Paulo, advancing vertiport infrastructure and eVTOL integration in Brazil. SkyDrive has secured a G1 certification basis from Japan's Aviation Authority for its eVTOL, advancing toward type certification and global operations. Skyport's drone services is entering Saudi Arabia through a partnership with IoT Squared, aiming to integrate BVLOS drone operations into the country's large-scale infrastructure and giga projects. Eneos Corporation has signed a SAF supply deal with Skymark Airlines, marking the airline's first SAF procurement toward its 2030 decarbonisation goal. Gevo has completed its $210 million acquisition of Red Trail Energy, planning to develop a sustainable aviation fuel facility at the ethanol plant site. Bombardier will open a new paint facility at its London Biggin Hill Service Centre in 2026, featuring 2 bays capable of handling global 7500 jets. A bipartisan group of senators introduced a bill to create a wildfire intelligence agency, aiming to improve federal wildfire response through better coordination and data sharing. To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.